My name's Rachel Bowling. I'm with Tulsa Technology Center from Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are a career tech institute, so we service high school students along with adult students. We use both Enroll and Informer. Since 2020. We've been with you guys for 5 years now. I think a lot of registration for both high school students and adult students, being able to have those all in one has been really great. We service 2 business units that form our workforce economic development. We have business and industry partners, and we also have adult career development. And so that has allowed us to pull in all those classes all into one system, register all of those attendees, whether it be for their own personal enrichment or for a partner, client, employer that we're working with to make sure we're meeting their needs. And then being able to take all of the payments for those in one system, being able to issue certificates from one system, it's all given us a one-stop shop. I would recommend Enroll and Informer to others because of the level of support and consistent efforts towards making sure that what we need and how we need to function as an institution is being met, whether it be through integrations, whether it be changing how standard product is actually delivered and enhancing that product to meet modern innovation and changes that we're seeing, across the board, whether you're higher ed, whether you're K-12, whether you're career tech, it's constantly changing, and we have to abide by state and federal. And so Intrinsic is really flexible where you offer your services to be able to, okay, how can we customize that and make that work for you in your own environment so that you can still move forward and do the things that you need to make sure you're meeting every student's need, but still function as a company and as a unit. One word to describe Informer, I would say, is probably powerful. The functionality within Informer is endless. You can put your mind to it, you're going to figure it out. If not, someone's going to help you, and it'll be phenomenal. For Enroll, I would say centralized. I don't have to worry about going over here and doing stuff over here and going over to this spot and doing stuff here. I can do it all from one, and then it all kind of bursts out to somewhere else. It's been really good. Everybody is super personable, so I don't feel like I can't approach anybody. I feel like I can approach everybody. I feel like everyone is interested in what I have to say. I feel like it matters because you're trying to better understand our situations and our scenarios. You don't live in our day-to-day, you don't work in our day-to-day, but you need to understand it in its entirety so that you can provide a product that is meeting our needs so that we don't, well, we gotta go somewhere else and we gotta look for something else that can do the things that we need to do. So the flexibility that you're giving us with Enroll, and that might be the word that I would use for Enroll, is how flexible and customizable it can be to meet your business needs.